Here's a tasty air fryer recipe of tuna melt on bagel that you must try. They come out so delicious that you would want to make them every day. In a bowl, take some drained tuna, add mayonnaise, sriracha, some mustard, spring onion, jalapenos to give it some kick, and give it a good stir to combine everything into fine paste. Now you take your bagels and then cut them into halves. Let's open it and then spread your mixture into the bread and try to press it gently so that it sticks to the bread. Goes in the air fryer but with some cheese on top to make it extra delicious and some bagel seasoning. Going in the air fryer for just 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius and something really delicious is just ready. These tuna milk bagels can be a delicious breakfast or brunch or can even go to kids' lunch boxes. And if you have toddlers at home, just cut them into smaller chunks and give it to them as a bite-sized food. For more recipes like this, please follow as I will be posting more.